Ready?
Yeah, yeah, go!
I'm gonna catch it. You cannot see this. Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Nataki, pediatric speech language pathologist, and I'm here today to help you work on speech and language at home. I'm going to be doing a 3-part episode series on tips and tricks of how to work on speech and language or encourage speech and language at home with your child with everyday items. Because believe it or not, you don't have to go out and buy the super expensive toy or super expensive flashcards to work on speech and language. You can use pretty much the objects you have around your house or things that you naturally have when you have a child. Today I'm going to be talking about bubbles. Bubbles have to be my #1 go-to toy. I have it every session, and I know some of you parents have bubbles literally stashed everywhere. There's actually so many opportunities for speech and language that's missed while working with bubbles. So today I'm going to teach you some of my bubble moves. So of course there's requesting, and before the bubbles even come out, I'm making sure that my child is requesting for bubbles by either saying bubbles or reaching for it, letting me know that he wants it. But this is a great opportunity to expand and to introduce the next level of language. If your child is at the single word level and primarily producing single words and he says bubbles, you can expand that and say, I want bubbles, or bubbles please, and then have him model it. And that way we're bringing him into the next level of language. #2 is initiating. I've covered this before in my other videos, so I'll just briefly go over the carrier phrase. Ready, set, you wait, and then your child says go, which initiates the bubbles. This works so much better when you have control of the bubbles. It's so much harder if you relinquish control right from the get-go. It's way harder to get those bubbles back. So make sure you establish, I'm in control of the bubbles, we're gonna play with them together. To initiate more bubbles, sometimes I'll even blow some bubbles and I'll cover it up, and then I'll just sit and wait off, and then the child will be like, hey, I want bubbles, and initiate me to open it up again. The third tip is pop. So pop is more than just narrating the child popping, it's a great strategy to blow the bubbles, and as the child is popping the bubbles, you're saying pop, pop, pop. But another great tip is sabotage. So this is a therapy strategy where we have something and I hold it out away from him, out of reach, until the child says something, and then I bring it to him. For example, I have these bubbles here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm gonna blow a bubble. I'm gonna catch it. You cannot see this. Oh, okay. I'm gonna catch it. There we go. And I'm gonna say pop. And then when he says pop, I'm gonna bring it to him, and then he's gonna pop it. Boop, like that. And then of course emphasize pop when he does it, and then it'll encourage him, and it's a great model for him. It's also great to work on that final consonant, pop. It's an easy sound to make, it's a short word, it's repetitive, and you should get a lot of repetition by just doing bubbles. Some other vocabulary that I like to introduce while working with bubbles is big and little and up and down. So I'll have the child request, do you want big bubbles or little bubbles? And then they'll say big or little, and I'll say, do you want them to go up or down? And then he'll request up or down, and then I blow them up, or I stand up and then I blow them down onto his head where he's like popping it, like that. I have a little video clip of me working with a child and with bubbles, and you can see that I'm modeling the language, I'm engaging him, he's so excited, and then he imitates me back. Bubble, big bubble, go up. Big bubble, ooh, pop. Should we go up or down?
Up.
Up? Okay. Big bubbles or little bubbles?
Big bubble.
Big bubbles go up?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, yeah, go! Big bubble up.
Big bubble up. Pop! Yay! What about down?
No, up.
Just up? Okay. Big or little?
Big.
Big bubble go up?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Yeah, go!
Whoa! Pop it! Pop. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to send it to anybody that you think would benefit from these tips. And as always, thanks for watching.